I have my chicken here. This is actually a chicken I bought from the grocery store. Where I live, we have Publix. I bought this from Publix. Wham! So we have our whole rotisserie chicken. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to actually cut through the center here. Okay. Go ahead and cut through the center. Wham! Bam! Alrighty, let's see here. Did we get a split? I did not remove the rubber band, but it's okay. It's gonna do its little thing, little thud dizzle. We'll let it do that. Little thud dizzle. Alrighty. So actually it went on ahead and separated itself. This is the breast. Then we have the thigh, we have the leg, and we have the wing. Okay? Alrighty, so what I'm going to actually go ahead and do is I do not want the bones. So you see here, I am just going to chop the meat off the bone here. Alrighty, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Go ahead, slice that baby up, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into some more little chunks here. And let's add it into our bowl. Alrighty, and for the other pieces, I'm literally just gonna pull it off. Doesn't have to be beautiful. It's a dip, guys. It's a dip. You know what I'm saying? I'm not one to stress over that little stuff on there. Alrighty. And there we go. Yeah, I'm so tempted to eat this meat. Yes, I do eat chicken cold. You can eat it cold. Alrighty, and I'm going to use the dark meat as well because to me, dark meat has more flavor anyway. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. I didn't even say that. Tupac made it up. You know what I'm saying? He was telling y'all some straight facts, baby. Melanin power. Alright, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be good. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and throw that in there, the dark meat. Chop our thigh up here. Again, we're just going to take the meat off the bone, okay? Chop it. Don't go too small. Okay. Throw it on. Bam. Alrighty. So I did leave actually a chicken thigh and a leg behind. It's all good. We definitely have enough meat inside this bowl. So now let's go ahead and mix this baby up. Actually, what I'm going to do is go ahead, take a moment, preheat your oven at 375 degrees. So when we're ready to go ahead and place this in the oven, it's ready to go inside of our cast iron. So that's actually what I'm going to do as I pour the chicken down and the rest of the... What are they? Well, I pulled the chicken down and add the rest of the ingredients into it, okay? Yeah, I did wash my hands, y'all. All right, so again, we're gonna go ahead and preheat that oven at 375 degrees so it's ready to go once we combine everything, because this step is super, super duper easy. You can actually have the kids do this step. It's fun for the kids to do. All right, let's pour some of that buffalo sauce inside of our bowl here. Now we have honey mustard. I like Ken's honey mustard. So here we go. So we have our cheese here. We have our sour cream, our cream cheese, and that beautiful sauce we made earlier, our hot honey mustard garlic sauce. So to start, what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to add a nice amount of sour cream. Okay. We have a whole 1 ounce of cream cheese. Go ahead. Yes, I'm using a soup spoon, guys. Don't bother me. Don't pick on me. Okay? Listen. I honestly picked up the first thing I seen. So that's what I used. And it is what it is. All right. So we'll go ahead and mix that a little bit. I also have some mozzarella cheese. I'm going to go ahead and pour some in this mixture. Now we need some color in that baby. Let's go ahead and give this another whisk and pour it in there. Now we'll go ahead and stir that all together. I have some fresh mozzarella here. It's already sliced. Pull a few out here. I want to slice them in half and add a little bit inside of here. We'll let that stir around. So this looks good from here. Now, let's go ahead and line up the cast iron. Our cast iron skillet, what I'm going to do, I'm going to line it really well. Alrighty, with some ham. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and just pour this mixture inside of our cast iron. Get all that nice cheese in there. Let's go ahead. Before we add the rest, let's smooth it over because we want it to remain nice and even. Again, we have our fresh mozzarella chunks in there. Alrighty. Perfect. Now we can add the remainder of our dip. Okay. Beautiful. There we are. Look at that. Look at that, baby. This is perfection here. Alrighty. So now what we're going to do, because we don't have enough cheese yet, guys. We don't have enough. We have some Parmesan cheese and parsley. We're going to go ahead and put on top. Yes, 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 yes. But guess what? That's not it. Let's go ahead and you want it to go all over. Now, we still have more of our fresh mozzarella slices. We're just going to lay those babies on top here. Yes, this is the exciting part. Make some space and put this baby right here. And now we will put this baby in the oven. It is going to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once all the cheese is melted and is bubbling, we will know that this is ready. So let's go ahead and place this baby in the oven, okay? All right, and we'll let this baby cook again for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it starts bubbling and all the cheese is melted, we'll know it's ready. We'll check. See the bubbles? See the bubbles? Looks like this baby is ready. It's Jkellz again. You see how it looks up close? All right, this is our hot honey mustard, hot garlic chicken dip. Let's do it with our homemade tortilla chips. Let's see, let's see. Mom, you said don't play with your food. Oh. Look at that. This is so see that? She get that chicken and everything up on that baby. Oh my goodness. Look at that, look at that, look. You have to add that mozzarella on top. I'm telling y'all, that mozzarella on top. Jeez. Everything about this dish is absolutely, I mean, let me tell y'all, I'm not just saying this. It is freaking Out of control. Out of freaking control. Oh my God. This you need to try today. Do not wait. Hot honey mustard, garlic, buffalo chicken dip with fresh homemade tortillas and fresh mozzarella on top. Listen, save this recipe in your phone, on your computer, and go back to it. Next dinner party you have, that's it. That's it right here. It's your girl, Jkellz. Thank you so much. I'm signing out. Peace. Peace.